Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the paddle shift on this Dodge Durango RT. I rented this really nice Durango for our family vacation, but when I was driving away from the agency I noticed the paddle shifters were disabled. I wonder if all the agencies do that to discourage paddle shifting, or if it's turned off because it accidentally became activated and then someone just found it too much to handle and just wanted to use it like an automatic. But if you want it enabled, like I do, here's a quick tutorial on how to activate those paddle shifters. Though keep in mind, paddle shifters, while great for performance, tend to take the engine out of its most fuel efficient operating range. Holding the car at higher RPMs longer lets you tap into the engine's peak power band for increased performance, but will also burn more fuel. Now to start, have your vehicle running, and as you can see, this one is just idling. On your infotainment system, press Vehicle, followed by Safety and Driving Assistance. Now scroll down until you see Paddle Shifters. Then touch Enable, followed by Home. And now as you press your paddle shift, it no longer comes up as disengaged. With the paddle shifters enabled, I can assure you you'll have a much different driving experience. So that's how easy it is. And if for some reason you want it disabled, just go back to Vehicle, scroll to Safety and Driving Assistance, followed by Disable or Enable, whichever you prefer. Now to stop the paddle shift while you're driving is also incredibly simple. So while you're driving, press and hold the right paddle shift and it will automatically disable the paddle shift and switch it to automatic mode. So there you have it. Now you know how simple it is to enable your paddle shifters. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.